I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though ambition, flow inside my DNA.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Sean B Nice, back again with some more heat rocking today. This is my first time doing a type of video like this, so I normally don't do case and screen protector videos, but I figured I'd give it a shot, man. This screen is so beautiful and this display is so beautiful, I definitely don't want to scratch it up. The nanotech that you guys probably seen in my last year's video, I don't know. I just feel more comfortable with something a little bit more I can feel on my glass versus something I can't see. Because my Note 8 did acquire some scratches, so I know since I had an old towel screen protector in here, but the old towel one, to be honest with you, didn't like it at all, didn't care too much for it. It had a hard time sticking, all type of stuff. So here, as you guys see, I have two. So I'm gonna let y'all know right now, if I get it right on the first time, which I shouldn't be that hard, I give one away, okay? So yeah, be on the lookout for that. It's not gonna be like a whole type of giveaway. I don't know. I made my next live stream, I may just give it away to a random person. So if you're not coming to my live stream, come to my next Thursday live stream, I go ahead and get this away. So let's get straight into it. All right, but first, before you open it up, again, this is by GPEL, Screen Protector 9H. That's like the hardest that you can get. Fingerprint resistant, oil resistant, still got HD clarity, still got touch sensitivity. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Normally, I like cases, screen protectors that have full glass adhesive. But I do realize that's a lot of a lot of screen protector manufacturers don't do it that way. So I'm open to give this one a shot. Let's open this up. Okay, nice presentation. I give them that, by the way. Okay, got all this. So we know how to put screen protectors on, B. We got this. Okay, shouldn't be hard at all. Won't be hard at all. Okay, so this is the screen protector here. Take a look at that. That's some thick glass. It's definitely better than my last one. Like, this one doesn't have that much flex to it. Yeah, okay. And it does look case friendly. Okay, y'all. So let's make sure we first take the device out the case and all this Wakandan black glory. Let's clean it up. It shouldn't have not an ounce of a scratch on here. I've been, for the most part, babying this phone. Okay, we did enough for as far as that type of cleaning. So let's go ahead and get to the other cleaning.
Sanitize it.
Killer sound.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is probably the easiest glass screen protector I've put on a device, and I can honestly say probably the best fitting one as well. Compared to the one from Old Towel, this one is way easier to put on. To me, it fits the phone better. And let's check something out. Responsiveness is way better. Let's send a message to someone. Yeah, okay, let's type out something to Google. Awesome. Oh, yeah, okay, y'all, look here. Just check this out. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is pretty flush. Not, well, I wouldn't say flush, but it's on the screen quite well. Take a look at that. Looks good. Looks really good. Yeah, looks very good. Now let's see how it goes on with the case. It does say it's case friendly. Now the case I do have may hit it a little bit due to the way this case is manufactured by Spigen. That's really no one else's fault. But so far, no complaints. Yeah. Yo. So this is the first, y'all. If you have a Galaxy S9 Plus, I definitely recommend this screen protector. Definitely over the Old Towel. Do not, I'm probably butchering their name, but the one by Old Towel is not good, okay? I dropped this one time and it was a wrap. And I dropped on the corner, hit it right there, man. It was complete. But so far, this one, I like this one. It feels even more premium than this one. Not trying to talk about them like that, but there is a difference. And this is my first time using GPEL. So this is a first time experience for me. I like it. I like it a lot. So I make sure I link it down in the description below. Here's how it looks with the case, as you guys can see. Okay. Go ahead, focus. Yeah, okay, y'all. So ultimate protection for your Galaxy S9 Plus. If you want this display to continue looking crispy and continue being as sexy as it is with a Wakanda black, make sure you get yourself a GPEL screen protector. Link down in the description below. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel out. Make sure you subscribe. It's your boy Sean Be Nice, man. I'm out. Deuces.